I'm going to teach you how to set up default templates in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're running a small business or managing your finances, customizing these templates can help streamline your processes and make your invoices and forms look professional. Proper templates also save time and reduce errors by keeping your documents consistent. Let's dive right in and walk through the step-by-step process. First, open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online login page. Once there, click on the Sign In button. If you primarily use QuickBooks for your business, signing in may already be part of your routine. After clicking Sign In, you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online from any options provided. This ensures you're accessing the correct version for editing your templates. Now you'll arrive at the login screen, enter your credentials, which include your email and password. After typing in your information, click Continue to proceed. This will direct you to the QuickBooks Online dashboard with all the options you have at your disposal. Next, you want to look for the settings menu. This can usually be found as a gear icon in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on settings will open a drop-down menu. Navigate to the section labeled Custom Form Styles and give it a click. This section is where you can control the appearance of your forms. Once you're in the Custom Form Styles area, look for a button that says New Style Clicking. This button will allow you to create a new style for your desired template. You'll be presented with a few options from which you can choose the specific template you want to edit. This could be invoices, estimates, sales receipts, and so on. Pick the template that suits your needs. After selecting the template, you have the opportunity to give it a unique name. Naming each template can help keep you organized, especially if you plan to create several with varying styles. Simply click where it says Add the template name and type in your chosen name. Now it's time to let your creativity flow. You can edit the template to your liking, adjusting colors, fonts, and layout. Customizing the look and feel of your templates can reflect your company's branding and ensure consistency across all your financial documents. Take a moment to preview how it will look for clients before finalizing. Spend a little time ensuring everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied with your newly customized template, the final step is to click on the Done button. This saves all of your changes and sets your new template as a default style for whichever document type you worked on. There you have it. Your template is now ready to use. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to keep your QuickBooks experience as organized and personalized as possible. Happy bookkeeping!